Okay, welcome to the video of Jada. I'm gonna tell you each brand. Green light, the regular cab F-150. There's 3 brands. I don't know the other brand that has a regular cab. I'm gonna show you each cab. Just hold on. There you go. Like that. I'm gonna put this at this side. Try to hold this in place. Try to get this in place. Just hold on. Alright, this is tricky. Ford F-150 Super Cab. That's a Raptor. Alright, I'll get you some the Jada and the Auto World. Okay, let's compare these 3, the Super Crew and the regular cab. This is from Welly. Yeah, Welly F-150 regular cab. Here's the cab difference. Okay, here they are. Compare them. This is on top is the regular cab, which has 3 seats in the front. Super cab, a pickup truck that have doors that has smaller doors. You have to open the front and the rear doors afterwards. That's a suicide door. Extended cab. This one's called Super Crew F-150. At the bottom below this truck is the Super Crew F-150. This truck is blue Lariat FX4. This one is a Super Crew. It has larger doors on the rear. Crew cab pickup trucks have large doors. Now this is the wheelbase. I'm gonna compare the Super Cab and regular. Alright, let's go side by side. This is the Jada F-150 Super Cab. It has an interior. It's modified for off-road use. This one is blacked out. It has black wheels and the paint is black. The color of the car is black. I removed the SWAT decals. Then I turned this into a civilian truck. Now, this is from Just Trucks 1/64 scale, Walmart. It has a Super Cab configuration. You can see the interior a little bit. Yep. Right there. It has a infotainment screen, a steering wheel on the driver's side, and a good interior. That's a nice interior. Next one, the regular cab. Hold on. It's not that detailed. It has a steering wheel. Yup, and the Super Crew. This one has a shift knob, steering wheel, a lot of detail on the passenger side. There, you see the Yep, that's the screen on the center, the touch screen, infotainment screen on the center. That's the steering wheel. Those are the panels and the passenger seats. I'll show you this. This is from Auto World. 2018 F-150 Super Crew Lariat 4x4. Here, hold on, just hold on. Let me open the hood. There it is. This has openable hood. It has the engine detail. This one has an openable tailgate. Whoa, hold on. Tailgate, sorry about that. You can see the bed liners where you carry your cargo. This is the engine. It has good details, way better than green light version. Alright, here's the Super Cab with the Super Crew, also known as a crew cab. I'm gonna compare them. Okay, so let's compare these models together and see which one's the best. Okay, this is the Super Crew F-150. Here it is. Super Crew cab pickup truck. These are limited edition, by the way. It's rare. That's what automobiles are about. They're rare. They're hard to find. You have to find them on eBay. This is my rare truck, F-150 Super Crew. You can see the F-150 on the tailgate. There it is. Next one, the Super Cab F-150 Raptor. This is a Super Cab configuration. It has a steering wheel and the interior on the passenger side. This is a infotainment screen on the center. Look at that. As hood scoop, the Ford letters, F-O-R-D letters on the grill. This one has a hood vent and the tailgate, F-O-R-D, which is Ford. This one is the best pickup truck in America. Everybody loves Ford pickup trucks, the best, never rest. Alright. Next one is the regular cab F-150. Yep, this has 3 seats. F-150, it's a work truck. Alright, let's compare these side by side. Let's compare the length and the wheelbase of these trucks. So you'll get a better perspective to see to show you. Hold on. Oh my god, it won't balance because of the wheels. Hold on. I gotta hold them up. Just hold on. There they are. Just hold on. I gotta fix this. Hold on. Alright, there they are. Hold on. Just wait. Give me a moment for a while. Okay. There it is. This is a Super Cab and a Crew Cab. Super Crew, I mean. Super Crew. This one has a different wheelbase and length. Okay. Here's the regular cab in comparison. 3 cab styles. You got a Super Cab in the middle. Regular cab. Super Cab. And Super Crew F-150. All 3 cab styles. Alright, now let's look at the there it is. Super Cab on the middle. This is it. 3 cab styles of a pickup truck. F-150. Different wheelbases and lengths. There it is. Wheelbases and lengths are different. Length is different on each model and the wheelbases are different on each model. Regular cab, Super Cab, the Raptor, and the Super Crew F-150. Ford trucks, the best never rest. This is why I like Ford trucks better than Chevy and Dodge. It has 3 cab styles. Let's look at the front to see what are the differences on these models. The hood is different on this one. This one is a regular model. This one is a Raptor, and this one is a 2018 version. Different headlights and grille in the bumper. Okay, there you have it. That is 3 F-150s together. Comparison. 3 cab styles. Have a great day.